Again, you want to bring up the trash? You get the trash barrel? Get it. Bring it up the driveway. Come on. We're going to bring the trash barrel up the driveway. You're going to help me? Help me? Are you going to pull it? Okay. Stop. Hey. Are you going to push it for me? Can you push it up the driveway? How are we going to get it up the driveway? Huh? You want to help me? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, girl, you're pushing it. You're pushing it. Okay, enough. Sit. Come on. Back. Stop. Good stuff. Okay, now you can push it again. Okay. You know what? I have another idea. Yeah. Stop. Hey. You know what maybe you should do? Maybe you should go find your Frisbee instead. Can you go find your Frisbee? Go find it. Okay. Go find it. Oh, no. Yeah, again, we're going to find the Frisbee. Go get it. Go find your Frisbee. Good girl. Phew.